welcome back to my mom channel. Today we're doing this bubble glove thing we got from Walmart. And make sure to subscribe and hit that like button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a video. So we got this bubble thing, so it's supposed to come with bubbles because we don't have bubbles. So it's basically like a glove, but it's an animal. We got the alligator, and this was supposed to, you run and there's like bubbles. Yeah, and it's impossible to open, so I got scissors. Oof. And this one's stuck. Ow. Okay, that's it. Oof. Okay, now we're gonna open it. Oh, so here's a glove. Ugh. Oh my God, what is this? Okay, and then the bubble package feels weird, so I'm reading instructions. What does it say? Okay, it says nothing. Wow. Okay. Take out a big bubble from pouch. Pour the bubble solution into the bubble pouch. Wait, I can't read this. I can't read this anything. Okay, everyone, now I get it. It's very small. I thought it's gonna be like very big like this, but no. So it's like a little pouch inside you're supposed to put your hand, but it comes with soap, so that's good because like we don't have any bubbles. We're gonna open the Ziploc bag. And I'm scared to do this, but I got it, I think. Probably the corner, I'm scared. Just pour this in carefully and slowly. All of that soap. How do you get this in? I think that's enough. All of the soap in here. It looks like water, but I'm not gonna drink it, of course. Oops. And then I got it. It's a crocodile. So like this little space in here, it's headless, so I don't care. But I'm gonna put my fingers in this space. Okay. Oh, okay. This is tight, guys. If you're big, don't ever get a tight one. Okay, how do you do this? I am so confused. I got it figured out. So you're supposed to put like the string in there, and you're supposed to run. Chomp, chomp. Okay, let's put it in. Holding it. Okay, I'm putting it in there. Okay, I think you put it like that, I guess. Let's get it out. Okay. I don't know. Now we run, basically. Oh, that didn't work.
Try again.
Put it in here, I guess. And put all the way. I got it, I think. Like that. Oops, my hand came out. Okay, now we're gonna put it and run. That didn't work again. Let's try one more time. And get it out and run. Oh, that did work! Whoa! Okay, that worked, guys. Oh, that's a big one! Whoa! This is working. Okay, we need more. Round 2. Ugh, my hands are all soapy now, but it's okay. Oh, it didn't work. I put my hands out. Wait. Oh, that was so big. Oof. We need one more. Okay, dip it in. Water. Got that out and whoa! Whoa, this is so big. Whoa. Wow. Okay, one more time. Okay. We're good. Wow, this is a big one. Okay,
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video and hit the notification bell. Thank you all, guys.